Have you collected a non-payment receipt that does not indicate the motorway entry station? There can be one of these three causes. You may not have taken the ticket or lost it. Maybe you passed without stopping because the barrier was up, or your electronic toll device was not detected. If the amount looks too high, it's only because without the entry station, the route journey is calculated from the furthest station. Here's what you can do to pay only for the section you declare. You can go to www.serravalle.it and once on the site, click on Pay Online at the top right. In the screen that opens, scroll down to the paragraph Station 888. And once there, press Click Here to download the self-certification form, on which to report the correct entry station. Fill it out and send it to pedaggi@serravalle.it. Attach your ID card to the email, and if you have a contract with Telepass service provider, specify the number of the device or the associated via card. If you have a contract with other service providers' toll companies, contact your provider directly.